Hey, it's Christina from Proven Winners ColorChoice Flowering Shrubs, and today I want to talk to you about summer rebloomers. So in the summertime, we see some of our favorite plants do their thing, big flowers, beautiful colors, but we want more of it. So that's where reblooming flowering shrub comes into play. Let's make the most of our gardens by planting shrubs that extend our summer season. Let's get started. Let's start with the Tuff Stuff series of mountain hydrangeas. Now, every hydrangea in the Tuff Stuff series will rebloom. Right now we're with Tuff Stuff Red, and as you can see, this plant is pretty fabulous because it blooms on old and new wood. So you can get an abundant show of old wood flowers earlier in the season, and then new wood flowers that kind of just add a more dynamic view to the plant. Now, this is a great plant for those who are gardening in colder zones where their hydrangeas might die all the way back to the ground, because even if that happens, you're still going to get flowers. Butterfly bushes. All of the Proven Winners ColorChoice butterfly bushes will rebloom. So that's the Miss series, like this Miss Molly, the Pugster series, and the Lo and Behold series. You don't need a deadhead to get them to rebloom. If you want to, check out one of our other videos on that. But one of the best parts about butterfly bushes is that you'll get this beautiful show. You'll get a nice long bloom, and then right next to it is always going to be a tiny little flower bud waiting in the wings to take over the show. A great plant for an amazing season of color. Sweet shrubs. We're with Aphrodite calycanthus. We also have Simply Sensational, and that one is known for its amazing scent. And this one has its beautiful magnolia-like, very large flowers, which look great in arrangements and works out really well because you can take a nice long cutting, put it in a vase, and it will still create new flower buds so that your garden stays beautiful, or your cut flower arrangements. Roses, another fantastic plant for summer-long color. In a lot of areas, you'll start seeing roses in June, and you will not stop seeing roses until frost hits. So I'm with Oso Easy Double Red. It's one of our many rebloomers for Proven Winners ColorChoice roses, and it's a great plant for low-maintenance color because you don't need a deadhead for it to create new growth and new flower buds, especially because these flowers are self-cleaning. So the petals will fall off and create just kind of like a little star-like cluster of anthers. It's not distracting when you see it amongst all of its beautiful new blooms and buds. Double Play Doozie spirea. This plant is just incredible. It is a prolific rebloomer, and that is because unlike other spireas, it actually doesn't create seeds. So that means that it can really get down to business of creating flower after flower after flower without spending energy creating those seeds. So what you'll see with this plant is an amazing coverage of flowers, and always buds tucked in within those flowers, and then really inconspicuous spent flowers. So you don't need a deadhead to get this plant to rebloom at all. And if you leave it untrimmed, you'll get this really fabulous color from new growth, which is a kind of burgundy color. Smooth hydrangeas. We have a ton of amazing Proven Winners ColorChoice smooth hydrangeas that rebloom, like this Invincibelle Spirit II. So the best part is you'll get this amazing flush of large blooms earlier in the summer, and then if you are a cut flower enthusiast, you will get some more beautiful blooms later on in the season to add that pop of color or to pop into your vase. And those are just a few of our favorite reblooming summer shrubs. To see all of them, check out mypwcolorchoices.com and let us know which is your favorite in the comments below. See you again next time.